The first step to using BlinderKitten is to add the type and DMX mode of the fixtures we will be using. By default, only the channel fixture type is present in a new show. It represents a traditional dimmer. You can download the current library from the BlinderKitten website. You need to download and unzip the file into a folder of your choice. For our example, we will use a VL3000 spot from VariLight. To import it, I go to File, Import, navigate to my Libraries folder, VariLight, VL3000 spot, and choose my mode. I can see in the Fixture Types window that my fixture has been successfully imported into my show. I can modify the default values of my channels here, such as pan, tilt, or iris. If your fixture is not in the BlinderKitten library, you can also download the fixture in GDTF format and import it in the same way. If your fixture is available neither in the library nor in GDTF, you have the option to create it yourself. For the example, we will create the Color-Par Quad 7 from Chovid in 6-channel mode. To create a fixture type, I go to the Fixture Types window, and I can click on the Add icon at the top right. To rename my fixture type, I can double-click on its name in the list. In the inspector, I will be able to add the channels of my fixture in the Channels section. This is where I will be able to specify the type of each channel, intensity, red, green, blue, amber, and strobe. I also need to specify that the intensity can be disabled by the swap. If the type of channel is not present, you can create it by going to the Channels Config window. Here you can create a new family of channels or add channel types to an existing family. Channel families are primarily used to filter encoders. BlinderKitten manages HTP and LTP priorities by channel type. By default, intensities are in HTP and the rest in LTP, but this behavior can be modified here. If the fixture you want to use has multiple instances of the same channel type, you will need to separate it into several sub-fixtures. For example, let's take the cyclocolor from Starway in 9-channel mode. The DMX chart indicates red, green, blue repeated 3 times. We will therefore create our 9 channels and assign its by sub-fixture. 1 for the first 3 channels, 2 for the next 3, and 3 for the last 3. We can also add a virtual dimmer to each of these sub-fixtures. This dimmer will appear in our encoders and will automatically act on the color channels. To do this, we will create our virtual dimmers in virtual channels, specify their channel type, here intensity, their sub-fixture number, and indicate whether they can be disabled by the swap. Finally, we just need to specify to each channel what its virtual master is.